Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to go over the guideline for the Best Buy reward. So yeah, we have about like 20 to 25 bucks about reward. And I was going to originally purchase this Apple EarPods. This one is the lightning connector. So yeah, I'm not sure. I think Best Buy, they do this on purposely. This one was retail for $19.99, and at first I was going to use the $20 reward. So it only allows me to use $15 of reward, because you had to purchase anything that's above either at $20 or above $20 in order to use your $20 card. So if this is $19.99, you could only use either $10 or $15, whatever you have on the reward. So I would end up paying like a $5 something with this. So I didn't want to pay by something. So I had to use purchase some of this like for a 2-pack of a high chew. I think this was like a $2.99 or something like that. And then we bought 2 packs, so it's about like 26 something bucks plus tax. So with the 2 packs of this candy, probably wondering why am I buying this. So anyway, because you bought 2 candy and then this, so the total damage turned out to be like a $2 something that we had to pay. So better than buying this one and then I gotta pay $5 something. So yeah, that's the thing from Best Buy. They do it with the 99, anything with like $4.99 on purposely, so you will spend more money at their store. So yeah, we ended up had to pay like a $2 something with tax. So anyway, that's how it goes. So yeah, originally also I always try to order online, but they don't sell the cheap candy like this. I was trying to find some like a Lego for $4.99, but it says that they don't ship. They only in-store purchase only. So anyway, just give you guys a heads up on those Best Buy reward cards deals. So yeah, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.